So we have the next one, we have elimination, example 3 actually. So this one's going to be 5x plus 2y equals 18, and 3x plus 2y equals 10. Now if we add these together, if we go 1 plus 2, it's actually not going to work. All right, if we add these together, we're going to get 5 plus 3 is 8x, 2y plus 2y is 4y, and 18 plus 10 is 28. And nothing got eliminated, so therefore, sad face. That did not work at all. Now, what we could do, so that didn't work. Let's try again. So example 3, take 2. And 3x plus 2y equals 10. So what we could do here is we can multiply one of these equations by -1, and that would make the signs opposite, and then we're going to be able to add up to 0, which is going to cause elimination. So I'm going to go 1 times, and I could do the first one or the second one, doesn't really matter which. I'm just going to multiply it by 1, so I'm not actually going to change anything. So we multiply this by -1, we get minus 5x minus 2y equals minus 18. 3x plus 2y equals 10. That's 3, that's 4. Now I'm going to add these guys. So I'm going to go 3 plus 4. And that's going to give us minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2x. Minus 2 plus 2 is plus 0y, the winner. And that gives us minus 8. The y got eliminated. So we end up with minus 2x equals minus 8. Divide both sides by minus 2, and we get x equals 4. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go x equals 4 into, we'll say equation 1. So 5x plus 2y equals 18. 5 times 4, I'm running off the page, plus 2y equals 18. So 20 plus 2y equals 18. 2y, if we bring the 20 to the other side, it becomes negative. It becomes 18 minus 20. So 2y equals negative 2. And y equals negative 1. And we're done. So therefore, the solution to the linear system is x equals 4, y equals negative 1. I'm going to do example 3 one more way. So this is going to be take 3. Now we know the answer is 4 and negative 1, but I'm going to show you a different way of getting it. So 3x plus 2y equals 10. And this is our equations 1 and equations 2. What we could do is, instead of switching things to negative and then adding, we actually are allowed to subtract equations as well. The order matters for this one. So what I could do, instead of doing that, I could just go equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2, 5 minus 3 is 2x. 2 minus 2 is... And 18 minus 10 is 8. So 2x equals 8. Divide by 2. X equals 4. And then we're right back to where we were before, right? We sub x equals 4 into equation 1. Let's do into equation 2, just so we can see if it still works out. So we're going to get 3x plus 2y equals 10. Instead of x, I'm going to write 4 plus 2y equals 10. So 12 plus 2y equals 10. 2y equals 10 minus 12. So 2y equals negative 2. Divide both sides by 2. Y equals negative 1. That was 1/2. That was the other half. Therefore, the solution to the linear system is for negative 1, which is the same thing we got in the previous way. So we could elimination could take two ways. You could either add the equations, or you could subtract the equations, and you have to choose it appropriately.